Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create your first ClickUp account. Creating a ClickUp account is simple and only takes a few minutes, so here's how you do it. Launch open the ClickUp application on your device, or you may also visit clickup.com on a web browser. Soon after you do that, from the first interface, tap on Get Started, and on the next page, enter a valid email address you want to sign up ClickUp with. After you type down your email, go to the top right corner and tap on Next. Now, you'll receive a verification code sent to your email inbox. Go open up your email app and click Open the email from ClickUp team. You'll be receiving a verification code inside it. Write down the verification code in the ClickUp app. You can also tap on the Verify Email Address button to verify your email. On the next page, enter your full name and create a password for your ClickUp account. While creating a password, make sure to type in a strong password. Repeat the password once again in the last field. Finally, tap on Sign Up. On the next page, give a name to your workspace. You can keep this default workspace name as well if you want, or write down your own name and click on Create Workspace. Now, to stay in the loop, enable push notification by tapping on Give Permission, or if you don't want to do that right now, tap on Skip. And now click on the Play with ClickUp button, and there you have it. You have successfully created your ClickUp account. Now you're ready to create tasks, organize projects, and collaborate with your team. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.